Hello everyone. Construction Management Training Institute is a professional training institute working towards development of construction professionals, providing innovative training programs as per the industry requirements. CMTI is founded by engineer Ashok Kumar, an experienced project management professionals having 2 decades of experience in project management function and worked with leading construction companies like L&T, HCC, JMC and other companies.
Certificate course on construction management. Construction Management Training Institute offering certificate on construction management course for budding construction professionals aspiring a quick start in the construction world. This course is thoughtfully designed by the construction experts working in the various domains of the construction. As a fresher, getting the job skills is important, as the academics is not covering the job skills which is necessary to learn from the experts to have a better prospects. CMTI's Certificate on Construction Management course comprises of important domains of construction. They are project planning, quantity surveying and estimation using Excel and IS 1200, quality assurance and quality control, formwork, site execution procedures and safety in constructions. Everyone is looking for experience. By completing the course, you will be able to crack interviews and your CVs will get preference by the construction companies as you are learning the best. In project planning, you will be learning about the scope of work and sequence of construction. Project planning aspects like time planning, resources planning and cost planning using MS Projects. Monitoring and controlling of projects, preparation of monthly, weekly and daily reports. In QS course, you will be learning about the reading of construction drawings, taking of quantity as per IS 1200 for the construction activities, preparation of bar bending schedules, rate analysis, preparation of invoices for the work done. Quality assurance and the quality control, you will be able to learning do's and don'ts at the work and the best construction procedures, mandatory testing procedures for the materials and for the finished projects. Contracts and procurement, you will be learning about the different types of contracts, tenders, vendor evaluations, quotations, comparison statements, negotiation and how to avoid a contract, GST and other statutory procedures on contract. In formwork, you will be learning various types of formwork used in the constructions and do's and don'ts in the formwork procedures. Site execution procedures, you will be learning about the construction procedures for various works. And daily training will be online for 2 hours and the assignment will be there for 3 hours. So total course 12 weeks and the duration is 8 weeks online and 4 weeks we can give internship for the projects. Internships are not mandatory, but we suggest to go for internship to feel the site atmosphere and the learn work at live. It's a hybrid training program. So nearly 750 students took this course in last 3 years and they secured excellent knowledge and placements in the leading companies. Instead of searching better offer, we suggest students or working professionals to enhance skill sets which is required by the employer and it results employer to consider you as the best choice. It's a certified course by Scientific Technical Education Development Council and it's a recognized course by the industry experts. For more details, you can visit our website www.cmtionline.com or call or WhatsApp us on 8884 2279.